What?
The alarm over there.
What is it?
A good way to start off 2025, faulty alarm.
I felt the alarm. Was that not going, no?
It was going over, but it's going very slowly.
Alright.
Not a great sign at all.
Can't hear too well when you have these muffs down the way.
Mm-hmm.
Lovely for keeping your face and ears on.
Mm-hmm. Good way to start off 2025.
Yeah.
A faulty alarm.
Yep.
I love these alarms here, so with it.
What?
I love these alarms here, so with it. Whatever, I don't know. I did have a feeling one day though that one there would go on its way out.
That over there?
No, that one there. Yeah.
See, it's been hit, hasn't it? A little bit of thing laying down.
It was always like that.
It's tipped over.
Yeah.
It's been hit a long time ago, wasn't it?
It was always like that when these things were set up.
Was it? There's something in there that look.
Yeah.
You must have been doing something in the bathroom or something.
Oh.
You probably have a private one in there.
Sure they would be. I just hold myself. So yeah, that alarm is on its way out too. Ready to get on the lasted from whatever 2016, 2017, something's actually not here. Now it's after 2025. Oh, another train coming. Line well friend.
Is there more train in the station?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Triple probably.
What?
A triple stay probably.
So?
Yeah.
Is it a train stopped up there, has it?
No, it's still going.
It's still going?
Going up to the final stop now.
It stopped.
No, it's still going. going up to Craigavon.
Oh, you know?
Yeah.
I wish you could part of the tractor.
Yes.
Isn't it funny how we were standing here and there's nobody come
Yeah, I
to
know.
cross here? Cars or people.
I know. I know.
And now it's down the road here.
I know. Lurgan usually is always busy this time, but of course, as you said, it's holiday season now.
Yeah.
Not big rush and off work and all.
Could have had that up and let the people go, couldn't they?
Mm-hmm.
True, because you know, is that train coming down now, Jack?
Yeah, it is. It's been 6 minutes this thing has been down for. It's already been 6 minutes since this thing's been down for.
Is that right?
Yeah.
I think you could have had it up right.
What?
Up that few away and then down.
Oh well, that's fully wire crossing through you. That's a good sky up there. Oh, coming this way.
What's the lift now? Get up. There it is. I'll say there is